Hello.
Hey, good to meet you. You have the problem description ready? Walk me through how you're thinking about tackling this.
Yeah, sure. So I'd like to propose you my framework. So I will approach this problem by listing assumptions, discussing my approaches, and then present you Python code. How do you like that?
Sounds like a plan. Laying out assumptions is a good way to start.
Okay.
What have you got?
So let me ask this question. Are we exactly sure that there is only one valid solution to the problem?
Yes, you can assume there is exactly one solution. Those are all reasonable assumptions so far. Now, how are you thinking about solving the problem itself?
Okay, so just to clarify, have you seen all my assumptions? How many of them are?
Yes, I see all 4 bullet points on your screen. They look good. Whenever you're ready, let's talk about the algorithmic approach.
Okay, so my initial thought is a brute force approach where I check every pair of numbers in the array and see if they add up to the target.
That's a valid start. What would be the time complexity of that approach? Can you
Well,
think of a way to
yeah,
optimize it?
so I think that would work, but it is O(n) squared complexity, which isn't very efficient, you are right. So, yep. Here there are some ideas. Can you check it?
Right, O of n squared can be slow. I see you've laid out the brute force idea and also a better approach with a hash map. Tell me more about how that one would work.
You know, after brainstorming initial ideas, we started by prototyping in Stitch, focusing on the core experience. Our goal was validating the flow of a real-time interview and looking for wow moments. Next, we moved to Google AI Studio to experiment. It's amazing, but just 2 days ago, a new live model was released and we can test it right now. We used the playground to experiment with prompts and understand how the model behaves in the real-time interaction. With a clear idea, designs, and understanding of the model's capability, we used AI Studio Build to generate our first working prototype, and it works amazingly well for the first time interaction. Having a working prototype, we decided to make it production ready. So we set up an AI native development workflow using Gemini CLI. This allowed us to iterate on prompts and architecture collaboratively. As a product manager, I had access to our backlog, which I could update via VS Code, and Yuri was orchestrating agents to actually build the product on the Google Cloud.